What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're fishing basically the exact same place I fished in my last video, but this time targeting the infamous summer flounder, fluke, whatever you want to call it. We got on two nice fish. One I was unable to land because I didn't bring a net with me. Yeah, lesson learned on that one. Actually, I never learned my lesson on that. I always forget a net. But it ended up being a really decent evening fluke bite. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And comment if you have any questions below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Alright guys, so I'm on the dock that I was on in my last video. It's a spot I fish a lot, but we got a little bit different, actually a lot different conditions here. It just decided to rain for 2 days. Now we kind of have a solid opening in the weather. The wind has stopped dramatically, and I think the front has stopped going through. It literally went through for 48 hours. So we're thinking that we can get on a good fluke bite. There's absolutely no one on the dock right now, which is awesome because this is usually a very good tide for catching them. I don't know if the tide is starting to slow down or what, but I mean, there could be weak fish, fluke, stripers. I mean, right now we're going after fluke, flounder, hoping to get a keeper. See what happens. Yep, that's a fluke right there. Yeah. He's short, but it's a fluke. All right. Well, that's good. One fish down. He's a short. He is a clear short, and he is cold. Wow, but look at that. That is absolutely awesome. One fish. Ooh, kind of belly flopped him there. Sorry, bud. Depending how slow it's going. Right now it's kind of going pretty slow, so they might not be there. They might be kind of scattered everywhere. But I don't know. We're going to see. That's a fluke. That's a tiny fluke. I felt him bite, though. Maybe it's not. Oh, I dropped him. Nah, it was small. Could have been bigger. Could have been bigger. Sometimes they kind of grow in size when they get vertical to you. So that fish might have been about the same size as the last one, but I dropped him. Well, there's fluke here, that's for sure. Oh, dude, there's fish literally busting where that seagull is out there. Whoa. There's fish literally busting. That's crazy, man. Wow. I mean, I could see them busting. I mean, if... Oh! That's a bigger fish. Yeah, that feels pretty good. That just felt like dead weight. Let's see, what do we got? He's still short. He felt a lot better. Oh, there he goes. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to flip you up that hard. He is quite fatter. There's a lot of fish out here right now. All right, there you go, another flounder. tiny flounder. I mean, truthfully, we're looking for one that's 2 times that size. Will they get to that size? Yes. Do I have a net on me to handle a fish like that? No. There's a fish right there, dude. And that ain't a bad one either, it don't look like. Oh yeah, that might be a keeper. Literally, they're all sitting right here. Crazy, man. Crazy. That might be a keeper. I don't know if I want to keep him. All right. Let's take a look here. He doesn't want to straighten out. Oh yeah, he's like 18 and a half. Do I want to keep him? Nah. That was for the fish gods right there. I mean, I literally he was literally right here. Like, it was, I mean, I don't think, that was weird. All right, let's try to catch another one. Oh, the sun is trying to peek out for the first time in days. Oh, was that a fish? Dude, what the f? They're like all right here. That's another one. That feels pretty good. That feels real good, dude. Wow. Okay, that's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a really good fish. Oh god, that's a fucking doormat. That's a doormat, excuse my language. It is a doormat and we don't have a net. Sitting right there, we're gonna lose him. No way. We can't flip him. So far he's being chill. Alright. Don't want to get him on the surface because then he'll try to do his death roll. Oh no. No, no, no. No, no, no. I think I got him in the bottom lip real good. We're almost there. We had to walk him around the whole dock. I can't believe he hasn't. Watch him. He's gonna get off right as soon as we get him in, like to the edge. I think he's kind of given up. But yeah, I felt him. Oh, he just flipped off right there. Oh, there he is. We're gonna try to grab him with my bare hands. He's right here. He won't move. Nah, he's gone. He's swimming. He's swimming. Oh man. Let's see if he'll eat it again. Oh, there he is. Dude, he's so big. He's so big. He's like 24 inches. Oh, dude, look at him. He's giant. You can see him swimming. Oh, he's gone, but yeah, there's no way I'm getting him back. That doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. I was going to keep him. But because, like, you know, I did get one keeper already. That is why, people, you bring a net.